Good evening, everyone. Welcome to another assessment, still on TCM treatment principles, and we shall continue with questions on internal medicine. Let's start the ball rolling with Ma'am Darlene Federico. Good evening, Ma'am Darlene.
Good evening po. Good evening, Doc. Good evening to everyone.
Good evening. Okay, let's start with the first one. Okay, if you have a patient who comes in with stiff fingers, how are you going to, what will be your points? Or what will be
Um,
your prescription?
I would use small intestine 3
Okay.
and 5 and LI4, Doc.
Mm-hmm. Why SI3 and why SI5? Ah, sige. That's
Um,
correct. Andito po. So, according to Ma'am Darlene, she will be using SI3, LI4, SI5. Remember, um, we are prioritizing the symptoms, no? If you notice, hindi binigay yung tang, hindi binigay yung ano. So, what is important here is you're able to produce something fast or relieve something fast. This time, the stiffness of the fingers. So according to Ma'am Darlene, she would use SI3. If everybody remembers, SI3 is the shoestring point of the small intestine channel, right? And it's
Opo.
very good for spasm in the fingers. Okay, and we all know that ang shoestring can alleviate pain and stiffness, heaviness, no? Okay, she will also use SI5 because SI5 is the Jing River. If you remember, Jing River is where the chi of the meridian will begin to flow more heavily. So this is very good for stiff fingers. And LI4, we all know that LI4 is the yuan source point of the large intestine channel. And it is also very good for finger spasm. So locally, no? But the good thing about LI4 is that it can expel wind and release exterior. Next, what will be your prescription for numbness or pain in the fingers? Kanina stiff. This time there will be numbness or pain.
I would remain with the small intestine 3, Doc.
Okay.
LI3
Yes.
and extra point po, Baxi.
Taxi. Okay, very good. Ang galing. So, kanina alam na natin yung reason. SI3 is very good. It's a good shoestring point. And LI3 is also shoestring. No? And it's very good for the fingers. And Baxi is for the local treatment. And this is the location of your extra point. In fact, ang tawag dito is 8 pathogens because the points are in between the fingers, no? It's between the red and white skin. So, okay, for pain of the back, what will be your prescription without knowing the cause?
Um, do 12 and do 26.
Okay, so yeah, that's correct. Una-una, do 26 is the most popular point kasi this is called an emergency point, no, for back pain. So let's take a look at, yeah, you can also use do 3, okay?
Do
Do
3.
3 is good for lumbosacral pain and most of the back pain would be due to wind dampness, no? So it has the ability to dispel wind dampness. Okay, do
Ah,
12.
okay.
Do 12. It's also good for back pain and it dispels interior wind, no? So as you go up, interior na interior. And do 26 is the crossing point on the do meridian with the large intestine and stomach. So being the crossing point, of the large intestine and stomach in the Du vessel, along the Du vessel. This is very good for relieving acute lumbar sprain, no? So yun, wala mo ng etiology later na. Number 4, what about if you have hip pain? This is also very common. If I remember right, we just had a lecture on this, the quick comprehensive approach. What's your answer?
For hip pain, doc, it's a GB30, GB34, and UB36.
Yes. You can use GB34, but the most favorite points would be GB30 and GB29. Okay. As a matter of fact, my favorite here is GB39. In fact, this is what I always advise, especially the seniors, to actually do acupressure on, no? So,
GB39.
GB39 and also stomach 36 para hindi ka mag-stroke, no? GB39 and stomach 36. All you have to do is apply pressure by boxing the points. GB39 is 3 tune above the tip of the external malleolus, okay, on the anterior border ng fibula. So why are we using GB30? Because it is the crossing point of the gallbladder and the urinary bladder meridians, no? GB29 is the crossing point of the gallbladder meridian and the Yang-Chow vessel. And GB29 is a favorite point for those people who are difficulty rotating the body. So you can immediately feel that there is a relief, no? When you needle GB29. And gallbladder 39, as I mentioned earlier, is very good for preventing stroke as well as hip pain, no? Because it is called the converging point of the marrow. Okay? Alam naman natin ang marrow, what nourishes the marrow, diba? Number 5, pain of the thigh or thigh pain. What will be your prescription? Ma'am Darlene? Ma'am Darlene, nawala yung boses nyo. Yeah. Can you show your face? Yan. Pero yung boses
Yan.
wala. Okay.
Doc na ano ko po, na miss ko yung number 5. Sorry po.
Yeah, this is number 5. Pain of the thigh.
Na-miss ko po, Doc. Sorry, hindi ko po na ano.
Na mismo. Okay.
Wait lang po. Opo.
I think everybody is familiar with GB34 because GB34 is the converging point of the sinews, diba? So alam naman natin na when it comes to the thigh, very effective on gallbladder 34. So this is also called the Hussey point of the gallbladder meridian, no? And we use GB34 because it can actually move the liver qi, no? And it can treat the pain, no? And also bladder 36 can relieve the pain. So I think you're very familiar. It's so easy to locate on the posterior aspect of the thigh in the middle of the transverse gluteal fold. And you can also use bladder 54, okay? If you remember, it's located in the region of the sacrum, no? 3 tune lateral to the middle sacral crest. So if it is also good for activating the meridian. So GB34, bladder 36, and bladder 54. Okay, do you have an answer? This is also very common, knee pain. Ma'am Darlene.
Yes po. Stomach 35, GB34, spleen 9.
Okay. Yeah, you can also use extra points like Xi'an and also Herding, no? Herding, okay? So I think everybody knows how popular spleen-9 is. Okay, most knee pains are due to dampness, so cold damp, no? So spleen-9 can actually resolve dampness, okay, in the lower jaw. GB34, we all know that this is, yeah, we just discussed it earlier. It's also good for swelling and pain of the knee, no? So hooding is, yeah, stomach 35, which you mentioned first, is has the ability to dispel wind dump, no? So, and also the two extra points, hooding, Xi'an, okay? So I hope you know where the location of hooding and Xi'an is. Then next, what about if you have pain or numbness in the leg? This is also very common. There are actually only two. Yes. What's your answer?
Oh, um, kidney 3, Doc. GB40. Bladder 57 and 60.
Um, okay. Okay. This is the leg, no? Paano ba? Okay. Yeah, you can also use that. But if you use gallbladder 4,
Kasi kidney 3 is
okay,
we root it there. Di ba, Doc?
the pain in the leg, baka
We root
ano,
there, so
baka pain,
kidney 3.
baka knee and back, 'di ba?
Mm.
But anyway, a very popular point, ano lang, magkatabi lang sila, bladder 57 and bladder 58. This is very, very popular, no? And it's very good for spasm and pain
Bladder
in the lumbar
57.
and the leg, um, and also bladder 58. You can always expect fast relief, no? Why? But because bladder 58 is the loop connecting point of the urinary bladder. So it sedates the yang of the bladder. So when you sedate the yang of the bladder, it actually tonifies the yin of the kidney. Diba? Yun yun. So that's what we mean by loop connecting point. And if you remember, it's located 7 Tsun directly above bladder 60, and it's located inferior, 1 Tsun inferior and lateral to bladder 57. Let's go to, okay, what about generalized pain? Oh, I thought this is very, you don't actually, the points I'm going to mention, you don't actually have to use all of them. So, ano po answer nyo?
SI3, Doc, or yes,
Yeah.
UB62. Um, ito yung favorite ko yung Sprint 21 when for any muscles na ginagamit ko.
If you're going to
Tapos,
use SI3, you might as well use bladder 62, no? Kasi
po.
they are like coupled points, no? If you needle SI3 with bladder 62, you're actually strengthening the back, which actually contains all the spinal, ano dyan, di ba? The nerve fibers. You try it. For women, we start with the right, SI3, bladder 62 sa left. For men, left ang SI3, bladder 62. If you only have to choose, ano, it's so good. It's so effective, even if you do it on the ear. No? Of course, you can only do so much. But remember, this is general pain. No? Ano pa po ibang points? What would you consider? Yung pinaka-popular that opens up the gates.
LI4,
And liver 3, right?
liver 3, iyo po.
Yeah. You can also use Sanjiao 4. Sanjiao 4 is Yuan source point of the Sanjiao. And LI11, kasi sometimes or most of the time may heat dyan, no? Heat can cause pain. LI11 is the Hussey point, and especially if the disease is, if the pain is chronic, we can use LI11. In contrast to LI4, if the pain is quite recent, no? So might as well needle both LI4 and LI11. Pero yun nga lang, if you want to do economy, no, gusto mo magtipid sa needle, because I always believe that less is more. You don't have to needle all of this, no? And spleen 21 is the major luo connecting point of the spleen meridian. Kasi karamihan ng pain din is caused by dampness, no? So you might want to actually do something about the yin. Gusto mong i-reduce yung yin, 'di ba? Kasi lalo na pag upo lang tayo ng upo, no? Without realizing that it's giving us more pain. Sorry. And then also your favorite, GB30. I'm sure you remember where we use this, no? Usually sa, di ba pag masakit yung balakang mo, ang ganda ng, di ba? Okay, and again, I will have to repeat, you don't have to use all of these points. Okay? So you can have your favorites. Yon. My favorite is SI3 with bladder 62 and also LI4 and liver 3. I also use LI11. Okay? And stomach 41. We use stomach 41 because it is the Jing River of the stomach channel. Okay? GB39, we already discussed that earlier, is the converging point of the marrow. And if mahina yung ating kidney essence, so it will not be able to nourish the marrow. So you end up having issues with the bone. Okay? Next, what are the patterns of Way syndrome? By the way, what is a Way syndrome, Ma'am Ma'am Darlene? It's called atrophy syndrome, no? This is of course, when you say syndrome, there's a constellation of symptoms.
The weakness of the limbs.
Yes. Nagkakaroon ng flaccidity and weakness. Minsan hindi siya makatayo, no? So these are the patterns. Did you read on the patterns of Way syndrome?
Opo. The burning heat in the lungs, damp heat, deficiency of yin in the liver and kidney, and
Very
trauma.
good. Okay. So we are going to discuss, okay, tingnan nyo, why lung heat? Because pag grabe yung lung heat, so yang na yang talaga. And we all know that related to spleen, they have the same polarity as the spleen. However, pag grabe yung heat ng lung, nawawala yung yin din ng spleen. No? So pag nawala yung yin, paano to? Pag humina yung spleen chi mo, magkakaroon ka nito. Anyway, as we proceed to the next questions, okay, like this one. Okay, ito naman, Ma'am Darlene, you have to be very particular, like, para magka-save ng time, unahin mo kaagad tignan yung tongue and pulse. Did you do that, Ma'am Darlene? Oo.
Opo.
Ang sagot lang po dito, you have to choose from any. Okay, let's go back muna ha. I-summarize lang natin. Dump heat is very common.
Opo.
It's then pag medyo may edad na rin, liver, kidney, and deficiency, no? If you notice, magkasabay sila kasi liver and kidney, they are mutually relying on each other. They have a so-called very intimate relationship, no? Kasi pag humina si liver, yin, the kidney essence will come to the rescue. In the same way that pag meron kang kidney yin deficiency, liver blood will come to the rescue, no? And pag medyo maedad na yung pasyente, medyo kailangan na lang i-consider yan. And sometimes we even go to as far as meron ka ba mga tinnitus, yung mga ganon. And then trauma. Trauma is, of course, biglaan yan, no? So, mamaya makikita natin dito. Okay, what is your answer here, Ma'am Darlene? Ang napaka-obvious dito is, kung titingnan mo, yung the symptom that will give away the answer is cough, right?
Yes po.
And so another would be the red with yellow coat. So alam natin na
Yes
mainit
po.
na mainit. And then fast yung pulse, sleep or slippery. Okay.
Pulse
So,
is, yes,
so what is the
slippery,
pattern
rapid.
here? Is it lung heat?
Pattern,
Is it liver? Definitely hindi po siya secondary to trauma, no? Ano po ang sagot niyo po? O, napaka-obvious na, cough, fever. Yung sagot niyo kanina, di ba?
lang ano po,
Lung
lang heat.
heat. Very good.
Opo.
So what we shall do here is to promote the circulation of qi in the yang ming meridians. We nourish the tendons or bones, dissipate the heat, and we do a reducing technique. So I don't think we need to explain why we have to use lung 5 and bladder 13. Next, what is the pattern po dito? Okay, I'll give you another.
Um,
O, tinan mo, give away na yung tongue. This is what I was telling you. Tinan mo kaagad yung tongue. Dito pa lang sa tongue, obvious na ano yung etiology.
Yellow and sleepy.
Yes.
Damp heat po.
Very good. Okay. So, tinan nyo. So, ang gagawin natin, promote the circulation of qi in the yang ming. We nourish the tendons or bones, dissipate the heat, reducing technique. Of course, spleen 9, our very favorite point for dampness, and bladder 20. Number 12, ano po itong pattern, Ma'am Darlene? O, tingnan mo ha, sore lumbar region,
Um,
seminal emissions, the tongue is red, thready pulse, and rapid.
ano po siya, Doc? Yung seminal emission is kidney,
Yeah.
vision is deficiency of pain of the liver and kidney.
Yes, very good. So we'll use bladder 18, bladder 23. Why? Because this is obviously very chronic, di ba? So we prioritize the back shoe when you have chronic conditions such as this one. No? Siyempre, pag sinabi mong yin deficiency, chronic na chronic yan. Saka tingnan mo naman, red na yung tongue. That means grabe na katagal. Next, the last one.
Flaccid paralytic.
Okay. Obviously,
Ito na po yung history o yung trauma.
Oo. Kasi tingnan mo, the tongue may be pink, you don't see any abnormality at all, or meron kang makikitang dark purplish hue sa tongue, no? Ibig sabihin mayroong blood stagnation, right? Which just occurred right after the trauma. And then thin white coat is considered normal. The pulse is relaxed or hesitant. Okay? So flaccid paralytic limbs, incontinence. Okay, maraming. So we use reinforcing method on the affected side with even movements. And then andyan yung ating very popular Watto Jiaji, no? And I know you know the location. And then for incontinence of urine, you can use spleen 6 and REN 3, incontinence of feces, bladder 25 and bladder 32. Next. Okay. Way syndrome, pag upper limbs ang involved, what would be your points?
Of course, Doc, LI4,
Yes, of course.
LI11,
Andyan din si Ella 11.
opo, Sanjiao 5,
Yes.
LI15 po.
Yeah, and also LI5. Ang galing. Next, what about if may way syndrome sa lower limbs?
If it is lower limbs po, stomach 31,
Okay.
34,
Uh-huh.
I would also use GB30 and yung 34 po katulad kanina at saka 39.
Okay. What about spleen 10? Did you mention spleen 10?
Hindi po.
Bakit spleen 10? Kasi this is a blood issue. Any blood, anything involving, definitely meron na itong blood stasis or merong konting, yeah, may blood issue. O baka walang blood, no? Kasi hindi niya maigalaw, no? So you have to use spleen 10. And I would also want to use Bladder 17. Yeah. Pero ito po yung
Blood
pinaka-popular.
oh,
Maraming salamat po. Then, what are the
vaccine.
patterns of windstroke? Oh, naku, ang daming... Ay, iba to sa ano ha. This is windstroke. What are the patterns?
Patterns attack on the Sangfu organs,
Okay.
for TENS syndrome and Placid syndrome,
And,
and attack on the meridian and collaterals.
okay, very good. So there's three. Tense, flaccid, and attack on the collaterals. And I presume you already know, let's say may nakita kang nakahandusay sa floor, ano itsura, di ba? So, you need to know kung tense ba yon or flaccid. Okay, so you just have three patterns to choose from. So, wind stroke, ano po klase nito? LOC is loss of consciousness. So, nakita mo, merong retention of urine, constipation, um, falling down flat yan ha, hindi yan fit. Falling down flat. I'm very sorry for the error. LOC, loss of consciousness, clenched jaw. And then the tongue is red with thick yellow or dark gray coat, wiry, slippery, forceful pulse. So what are your points?
Wind stroke due to TENS syndrome, it's phlegm, fire, heat, and liver. Tama po.
Yes.
Uh,
Okay. Yung
I
okay, of course, dadalhin mo sa pakukunin mo ng kukuha ka ng ambulansya, di ba? So, what are you going to do? Yung pinaka-importante talaga na para matulungan natin yung ano. At saka anong ano to? Anong pattern po ito? Is this tense? Is it flaccid? Or is it only attacking the collaterals?
TENS po, TENS syndrome.
Very good. So, pinaka-importante dito would be to bleed the Jing wells. No?
Jingwell,
Yung mga jingle, lahat ng mga
opo,
jingle,
12, the 12 Jingwells.
yeah. Dapat hindi na makalimutan niya. Pag nakita mo naka-clench yung jaw, hindi naman ano, yun. Tapos nakita mo yung tongue red. But sometimes you won't have time to check the tongue anymore. Kasi di ba? And then also you can use, oh no, ang sakit ng kidney 1, no? You can use to, but the best ano dito is you can save lives, you bleed the Jing wells. Okay? If you can do all the Jing wells, much the better. Try to get at least 2 drops, 2 or 3, no? So kailangan meron po tayong ready na o kahit lancet, no, yung ginagamit sa ano, pag mag-ano ka ng blood sugar mo. Or
Opo.
you can have a three-edged needle, no? Which ano, wag lang magpanic. Or you can use an ordinary safety pin kung wala na talagang iba. Okay? So liver 3, we all know that. Do 20, do 26 is also a favorite point. Stomach 40 because the pulse is very wiry. Next, what pattern po ito? Eyes are
Um,
closed, tapos naihi, ang daming ihi. The tongue is flaccid.
Placid syndrome.
Yes. So we have to restore the yang from collapse. Okay, these are the points that you need to use. So kanina tense yun ha. Ito naman na ihi. So flaccid syndrome. You can do REN 4, REN 6,
Okay,
up to MOXA REN 8. So dapat may MOXA ka ready. Or bumili ka nung, ano ba to, yung MOXA box. So habang tinatransport siya sa hospital. O wala pang, hindi pa dumating, mag-ano ka na. Or butasa, ay ano mo na, kahit bahala na, kahit mali yung pattern. Para sure. And the last one is, okay, attack on the
wind stroke,
collaterals or
attack on collateral.
So obviously you have a patient here who is very awake. So, but again, you need to do something. So ano yung magiging points mo rito?
Do 20, do 16, UB7.
Ang galing. Wow, congratulations. And lastly, what will be your prescription for wind stroke involving the upper limbs and lower limbs? Let's start with the upper limbs.
Yung upper limbs po,
Yung favorite mo
yung
kanina.
LI4. LI-15, LI-11, Sanjiao 5 po.
Okay. And lower limbs?
Lower limbs, GB 30, 34, stomach 36, stomach 41.
Galing. So, parang masyadong marami ka ng alam dito, Ma'am Darlene. Nangyari na ba one time to sa family mo?
Ano lang po, may
Ikaw
mga
ang collateral.
instances lang po. Try,
Pero hindi ka
opo.
pa naka-encounter nung nawalan talaga ng malay. Okay.
Naka-encounter na po ako nun, Dok, pero hindi ko pa kasi alam tong mga to, kaya kidney 1 ka agad
So ngayon, alam mo
yung
na ulit.
ginawa ko.
Masakit ang kidney mo, di ba? Pero pag 10 syndrome, you have to bleed the Jingwells. Minsan nga kahit yun na lang,
Opo.
nakakatulong talaga in GV26. Maraming salamat po, Ma'am Darlene. You
Thank you
did
po.
a
Thank you po,
very good
Dok.
job. Congratulations. Now let's call
Thank
on
you.
Sir Azariel and let's hope na hindi na naman siya atakihin ng kanyang anxiety. Can you show your face? Oh, okay, nandiyan na pala. Because your church needs you, Sir June.
Tomorrow po.
Oh, diba? You have to be asleep. That's why we have to have this early para you can sleep by 8 or 9. Okay, Sir June, what will be your answer here? Um,
Um,
ano
in
yung mga
21
points
po,
mo? Let's say, the windstroke to ha. Ano yung gagamitin mo for clenched jaw? 10 syndrome to. Ano points mo?
yung isa pong tinatawag na artistic point, yung LI4 po.
Hmm.
Then the stomach 6 po. Then stomach 7 po.
Okay, start talaga yung LI4, di ba?
Yes po.
I'm sure ang dami ka natutunan kay Dr. Love. Okay. What about for aphasia and stiffness of the tongue? Ano yung magiging points mo?
Heart 5 po.
Okay.
DU 15. Then REN 23 po.
Wow. What about if there is upward disturbance of wind yang?
Sorry po. Wait lang po. Liver 3 po.
Mhm.
GB 20. Then reinforced kidney 3 and spleen 6.
Wow, galing. What about kung meron kang excess fire in heart or liver?
Reduce liver 2, pericardium 7, reinforced kidney 3.
Okay. Okay, kung tumabingi yung mouth, elevated mouth. Yung ginagamit
Stomach,
natin sa Acule.
stomach 4 po, tsaka stomach 6 po.
Okay. So para hindi matuluyan, kailangan magpa-acupuncture facelift. Maraming salamat. Let's go to number 22. What are the patterns of syncope? Hindi yan syncope, syncope.
Apo, pattern po is deficient syncope po. Then
And,
excess syncope po.
okay. Okay, anong klaseng syncope ito? Feeble breathing, mouth agape, spontaneous sweat, cold limbs. Ito palang cold limbs, saka deep pulse. And you only have to choose between deficient and excess, right? Ano po?
Deficient po, Doc.
Very deficient. So what are you going to do?
You need to promote the resuscitation.
Okay, gisingin mo yung pasyente.
Yes
Ano
po.
pa?
Then invigorate yang. Then you can use the point of pericardium 6, REN 6, DU20, DU26, and stomach 36 po, Doc.
Okay. So, ready ka na ha? So, So, I hope you would know what to do pag alam niyo naman ngayon, no? Maraming posibleng mangyari. What about this one? Of course, kung kangina deficient, ito.
Opo. The answer po is excess syncope po.
Okay.
What we'll do is
treatment plan? What is your treatment
plan? To promote The resuscitation regulate flow of qi, and you can
So your
use
points.
the points po of kidney 1,
Mhm.
liver 3, Li 4, pericardium 8, pericardium 9, and DU 26 po, Doc.
Okay, siguro nagpa-acupuncture ka na, wala na yung anxiety mo.
Ginamitan po ako ni Tita
Yeah, I was told
Ling
about
po
your
ng
laser, no? Laser acupuncture, which is so amazing.
for needles.
Yeah.
Yeah po, for
Wow.
needles.
Okay, ito, very relevant to. What are the patterns of sunstroke?
The answer po is mild or severe po.
Okay. Ano to? Mild or severe?
Mild stroke po siya, Doc.
Bakit?
Because meron po siyang dizziness, tsaka meron po siyang
Parang
hot.
simple lang, no?
Opo.
Parang simple lang. Okay. So what are the points?
Pericardium 6 po,
Mhm.
Li 11 po, DU 14 po, UB 40 po.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. What about this? So kung kanina mild, ito,
Severe sunstroke po, Doc.
okay. Anong pagkakaiba ng mild sa severe?
Pag severe po kasi is parang ano na po malala na, severe
Hindi,
na
yung
po.
talagang, ano mo, yung distinguishing feature.
Okay po. Ay, ang pulse po kasi ng severe po is deep forceless po. Then
The symptom.
dapat
Yeah.
yeah.
Actually,
Po.
wala ng malay.
Yes
Loss
po,
of
yes po.
consciousness. Diba? Severe na yan. So what are the
Opo.
points?
You need to promote the resuscitation, emulate the summer heat, and you can use the the point of pericardium 3, DU 20, DU 26, UB 40 po.
And meron tayong extra point called Sichuan. Okay?
Sichuan.
Number 28. Common cold. Yung mga meron tayo dito, may colds. Okay. Anong klaseng cold po ito? Wind cold or due to wind heat?
Wind cold po, Doc.
Okay. Is there something abnormal with the tongue? Wala, no? In white
Superficial
coat.
type po.
Tight.
Rather,
Actually,
sorry. In
distinguishing
white coat
feature
po.
dito, yung tight pulse. Kaya masasabi
Opo,
natin
tight.
cold. And also, yung limbs niya. No? Nag-chill.
Opo.
Chill and fever. So what would be your points?
The artistic point, the Li4, Lang 7, UB12, DU16, GB20 po, Doc.
Okay, we use GB20 to eliminate
GB20.
the exterior. It can also eliminate the interior heat, right? Number 29. So anong klase po ito? Tinan mo yung sputum niya yellow. Tapos yung tongue niya thin, sticky yellow. Yeah.
It's wind heat po, Doc.
Very good. So what will be your treatment principle?
You need to eliminate the wind heat po.
Okay, what are the points?
Using the Li4, Sanjiao 5, Lang 10, Lang 11, Li11, and DU14 po.
Wow, ready. Parang dami mo ng kaso niyan, no? So ngayon alam nyo na ha, pag common cold, you need to look at the tongue. Is it wind cold or is it wind heat? Because if you notice, magkaiba yung points. Right? Number 30, malaria.
The answer po is invasion of Shaoyang Meridian.
Yeah. Shaoyang,
Shaoyang Meridian.
the gallbladder and the Sanjiao, right?
Po.
Okay.
So you
What
need to reducing the DU and the Sangjiao point to regulate the
Shaoyang.
DU and harmonize Shaoyang po.
Okay. So what are the points?
Sanjiao 2 po, SI3, pericardium 5, DU13, DU14, GB41 po, Doc.
Okay. For high fever, what would you use? LI4 or LI11?
LI11 po.
Very good. Bakit?
Kasi po, ang LI11 po siya po yung ano ng heat. A clear heat po from the
Shaoyang na
blood.
siya, di ba? Malalim-lalim na, di ba? Okay,
Yes
for
po.
splenomegaly, what will you use?
Pardon, Doc?
For splenomegaly, yung lumaki yung spleen,
Lumaki yung... You need to reduce.
you use liver 13, right? And extra point PCHAN. Okay.
Liver 13.
Let's go to the, okay, menstruation naman tayo. Okay, di ba may mga, na maaga yung menstruation, no?
Opo.
Okay, so ano nito? Ano ang pattern dito? Tingnan mo mabuti ha. The tongue is red with yellow coat. Yan pa lang, ano na nasa utak mo kaagad when you see that kind of tongue. Saka rapid yung pulse.
It's blood heat po.
Okay, galing.
Blood heat. Rapid.
Kasi
blood
dark
heat.
red o profuse dark red, no? And what are you going to do? What are the two extraordinary meridians that affect the uterus?
Meridian. The
Ren and the Chong, di ba? Penetrating si Chong, si
opo, the Ren and the
Don't
Chong.
forget that. They also do. Pero saan ang galing si Ren pati si Chong? Sa kidney, di ba? So, clear the, okay, what is your, i-clear mo yung blood heat, di ba? Ano yung points mo dito?
Ren 3 po, kidney 5, spleen 10, and LI11 po.
Okay. What about pag naging liver fire na ang liver chi mo? What is the best point? Naging liver fire na.
LI11 po.
No. Liver 2 or liver 3?
Liver 3 po.
Sabi mo na yung LI11. Liver 2,
Sorry po.
pag masyado ng liver fire. What about kung meron ka ng yin deficiency with internal heat? Kidney 2.
Kidney 2.
Kidney 3
Yeah.
Kidney 2. 4, 5. 4, 5.
Okay. Ito naman, early menstruation, pero short lang yung cycle niya. Ibig sabihin, kapipiran ko. Tingnan mo yung tongue niya. Pale na pale. So, very deficient. What else?
It's
Yes.
spleen G deficiency.
Okay. How can you explain the palpitation?
The palpitation po is weak po, weak.
Okay. It follows pag merong spleen chi deficiency, affected din po yung heart blood, right?
Blood.
Yeah. Kaya merong palpitation. SOB, shortness of breath. Okay. What are you going to do here? Ano po yung ating treatment principle?
Reinforcing Turen, Taiyin, and Yang Men to replenish Qi and restore its function in controlling blood.
Okay.
You can use the point spleen 6, Ren 6, Ren 12 po, and stomach 36 po.
Ang galing. Wow.
33.
Ito naman, late menstruation. So pag late menstruation, tinan mo, from the tongue and the pulse, you can immediately tell what is wrong. Tinan mo,
Blood
little coat na lang
deficiency
ha,
po.
little coat.
Dizziness. Blood deficiency po, Doc.
Okay.
Blood
Scanty kasi, no?
deficiency.
Scanty light red blood, very pale.
Dizziness.
Emaciation. Oo.
Dizziness.
Di ba, magaling na kayo magtumingin, no? Ng mga menstrual problems. Oh, tapos i-educate mo na yung pasyente, ganyan yung dila mo. Oh, di ba? Tapos yung pulse. It's ready. I'm sure with the so many missions that you've joined, sari-saring pulses na yung nafe-feel nyo, no? Ang dinig ko,
Opo, Doc.
mayroon daw gustong himatayin. Sana chinek nyo yung pulse, siguro ready. Parang sinulid na. So, dapat na agapan. Buti na lang, hindi naman natuloy.
Ah,
Ay nako, I'm aware of all the
opo, alam ko na po. Opo.
aware ako. Meron ako mga informant. Very reliable informant. But I will not mention the name. Just hindi naman ito sa Senate. So I cannot mention the name. Okay. So here we treat the red and then reinforce to replenish the chi or blood. Then you do moxa, ren 4, ren 6, clean 6. And if you have dizziness or blurred vision, you use do 20. For palpitation or insomnia, heart 7. Fullness of the chest, PC6. Hypochondrial distension, liver 14. Okay, ito, ano pong pattern dito? Napaka-obvious, oh. Deep and slow. Oh. Anong unang papasok sa utak mo pag slow ang pulse? Sir June.
It's cold po.
Very
It's
good.
weak cold.
And ano pa
slow.
dito ang sa symptom? Cold limbs. O cold limbs, baka obvious naman. So what's your pattern here?
Cold in blood, Doc.
Okay.
Colicky pain. Cold.
Cold in
So what
blood.
are you going to do?
You need to treat the ren, tie-in, reinforce to replenish blood, and you can use the moxa, even technique to warm and disperse. Then you can use the ren 4, ren 6, then spleen 6 po, Doc.
Okay. And always check the pulse again. Kailangan hindi na siya slow. Okay, number 35. What is the pattern here?
Number 35 po is chi stagnation po.
Why?
Dahil
kay wiring?
Opo, wiring.
At saka yung distending pain, no? Distending pain in the low abdomen. It's very, very chi stagnation. And
distending
also
pain.
scanty dark blood. Okay.
Okay po.
What is your treatment? What are the points?
You need to treat the how do you pronounce it? Juyen, Yangmen, reduce to activate chi and blood flow, then liver 3 po, then
Foot Jueyin. Sino ba si Foot Jueyin?
Juyen.
Liver.
Si Foot Yangming. Sino?
Stomach.
Yes. Okay, so what are the points, Sir June?
Stomach 25 po, kidney 13, spleen 8, then liver 3 po.
Spleen 8? Okay.
Spleen 9.
Pero, yeah, spleen 8 or spleen 9. Oh, maganda rin sa menstruation ang spleen 8. Number 36, irregular menstruation. So what's your pattern here? Remember, nandiyan naman si distending pain.
Liver chi stagnation po.
Okay.
Kasi
so what is your treatment principle?
So treat the ren and juyen to ease liver and regulate chong and ren. Then you can use the points liver 5, pericardium 5, ren 6, and kidney 14 po, Doc.
Ang galing. Okay.
56.
Number 37, irregular menstruation. What is your pattern here? Remember, may tinnitus na, may achy low back and knees, meron pang frequent night urination. You see the importance of really doing a very complete, mag-a-attend na kayo ng assessment and diagnosis. I decided to change it to purely assessment and diagnostics because we will be including also the Western, no? Kasi pag sinabi mong TCM lang, di puro TCM lang. Bubog na tayo sa TCM. Are you excited? Sige. Okay. Hindi man kayo excited. Okay, sige.
Ito.
Okay. Ano mo dito? Anong pattern mo rito, Sir June?
Kidney deficiency po, Doc.
Okay, very good. So what are you going to do?
Reinforcing the ren and foot Shaoyin.
What's the foot Shaoyin?
Foot Shaoyin is, what's foot Shaoyin? Kidney 8.
Okay, si kidney. Hindi, okay.
Kidney po. Sorry. Kasi, foot
Huwag ka na ma-confuse. Ang galing-galing nyo na nga eh. No? Foot Shaoyin. So, ganyan yung pagtawag natin sa kidney ha. Ay, kung si kidney si Foot Shaoyin, sino si Han Shaoyin?
Hans is LI.
Andyan na naman tayo. Ano ba yan?
Wait lang.
If Foot Shaoyin is kidney, sino si Han Shaoyin?
Si Ren 4 po.
Ano ba yan? Sige, nandyan na naman. Baka umandar na naman yung ano mo. Sige na. Okay. Madali ka pa namang maano. Actually, madali kang malito. So tapos kakabahan na yan. Baka hindi ka na naman makatulog. Okay. Ako pa sisihin nyo. Okay, sige. What's the point?
Ano po? Nasa na ba ako? Wait. Ren 4 po, kidney 8, then UB 33 po. 23 po.
Okay. Number 38, dysmenorrhea, very common. What's the pattern here? O take
Kasi
note na naman yung mga keywords.
May distending pain po pertaining to the
pa?
liver. Stagnation.
Okay. Deep and wiry, no? Okay.
Opo.
What are the points?
Liver 3 po, Ren 3, LI 4, spleen 8, spleen 10, UB 32 po, Doc.
Okay, what points are you going to use for the standing pain in the low abdomen?
Abdomen. Lower abdomen. Sa tiyan, sandali. Ren 3 po. CB3.
Diba si kidney 14?
Kidney 14.
Ay!
28.
Stomach 30. What about when may depression ng isang babae? Tapos may dysmenorrhea due to liver qi stagnation.
May depression. Ito na naman sa depression.
Eh di punta ka kaagad sa heart, di ba?
Heart. Heart 8 po. Pwede ba yun?
May heat ba? Wala namang heat masyado. Liver 3.
Wala naman po.
Liver 3 and heart 7. Remember
heart.
Okay, kung may sore low back and knees, ano gagawin mo?
Back.
The Hosi point of the
spleen.
Foot Shaoyin. What's the point of the Foot Shaoyin?
Foot Shaoyin is liver 3 po.
Ano ba yan? Foot Shaoyin?
Ay, foot sa paa. Hindi ba, Doc?
Kidney 10.
Kidney 10.
Ano ba yan? Madali ka na naman. Okay, for dizziness and tinnitus, what points are you going to use?
Tinnitus. Ano nga ba yung point na ginagamit?
Sige na, kidney 3 and do 20. Andyan na, ha?
Okay po. Kidney 2.
I'll give you a copy of this later.
Screenshot ko lang po, Doc.
What
Ayan.
about this one? Dysmenorrhea? What is the pattern here?
Sandali lang po.
Take note, scanty, pink, scanty thin blood, alleviated by warmth.
Chi and blood deficiency po, Doc.
Okay, weak pulse, ready. So what are the points?
RN4 po, spleen 6, UB20, UB23, stomach 36 po.
Okay,
Screenshot ko po to.
good.
Yeah.
Don't worry, I'll give you a copy. Number
Ay,
40,
thank you po, Doc.
amenorrhea. Yeah.
Distension na naman siya. So, blood stagnation po, Doc.
Bakit mo sinabi?
Kasi po,
Ano basis mo dyan?
meron po siyang low abs distension po. Then,
Ba yun? O yung isa pa? Hard mass.
aggregate
mass.
by pressure.
Ano pa?
Aggravated
Yung ano
pressure.
pa tinignan mo?
Purple
Ano
count.
pa?
Purple
Yung tag niya po is purple.
Oh, andyan ka naman,
Wait.
panik ka naman. Okay, what are the points? Bago ka
Panginoon ko.
sabihin.
Rendry po, liver 3, LI4 po, spleen 6, spleen 10, stomach 29 po, Doc.
Okay. So what about
Dok, hindi pwede ang ano dyan, Dok? QB17 or blood?
you should always use bladder 17. I always combine bladder 17 and spleen 10. It's a given na. Kung napansin nyo, walang minention dito na back shoe. So you don't exactly have to follow all of the points here. These are suggestions, but blood stagnation kasi automatic yan, spleen 10 and bladder 17. Okay. So kung may pain in the lower ab with hard mass, worse when you apply pressure,
Stagnation.
Maraming salamat, Sir June, and thank God hindi ka inatake ng anxiety attack. Hindi ka nagkaroon ng anxiety attack.
Thank you po, Doc. God bless
Very
you
good
po.
job. Let's now go to Ma'am Ami Glorioso. Ma'am Ami, good
Good
evening.
evening, Doc. Good evening, classmate.
Okay, sino ba yung tinawagan? Okay, kayo, no? Sino yung next? Ma'am Choi, and I think the last one. Tinan ko muna yung ating ano, ha? Hindi ko kasi nalista. Ma'am Angel, okay. Okay, good evening, Ma'am Ami. Let's, ano po
Evening,
ito? Continuation ito kanina. So, amenorrhea, what is the pattern here?
The pattern here is blood deficiency.
Why?
There is delayed menstruation cycle, gradual decrease of menses, slow pace, vertigo, dizziness, low appetite, loose stool, and dry skin.
Okay, just mention 2 or 3 key symptoms that will clinch the diagnosis of blood deficiency. So first,
Delayed menstruation cycle.
okay. Dry skin, right?
Yes po, dry skin.
Pale with little, saka steady pulse. Pale lang.
Ready
So what is your, what will be your treatment
Sorry.
principle? What are your points?
Using REN4, UB18, UB20, UB23, stomach 36, and spleen 6.
Okay. Bakit wala ito na hindi nalagay? Okay, sorry. Yeah. It's here pala. Sorry. So, REN4, spleen 6, bladder 18. Yeah, bladder 20. Next, uterine bleeding. What is your pattern here?
Uterine bleeding is sudden onset, proposal, prolonged deep red blood,
Hindi.
insomnia, dizzy. Yes.
Wait lang po. Just pick out 2 or 3 very, yung bang ano, you know what I mean? Yung, that will immediately tell you na this is the pattern.
Profuse or prolonged deep red blood,
Okay. What else?
And then the
What about
tongue
the
is red.
tongue? Are you not going to, yeah, the tongue is
Yellow.
red with
Yeah,
yellow
the
coat,
tongue is red with yellow
and the
coat.
pulse is rapid, no?
Rapid, yes.
Okay.
So excess heat.
Yes,
Okay,
Doc.
what are the points? Of course, you have to stop the bleeding, clear the heat, right?
Yes po.
Ano po yung point?
The prescription is using Rentry, spleen 10, spleen 1, and liver 8.
Okay. And also bladder 17. Okay, if there is external heat, you use Li11. Excessive heart fire, heart 8. Excessive liver fire, liver 3 or liver 2. Spleen chi deficiency, anorexia, loose stools, bladder 2021. Next, uterine bleeding. What is the pattern po dito?
Chi deficiency.
Why?
There is profuse or prolonged thin, scanty light red blood.
So papa, anong difference ito sa kanina? Ganon din yung kanina, di ba?
Ano po siya, Doc? Thin lang po and scanty light red blood siya.
Ayun.
Di ba SOB, shortness of breath?
Shortness of breath, yes, Mary.
Okay, mas importante yan. So thread impulse. Okay, what is your prescription?
Using DO20, REN4, stomach 36, spleen 6, a little moxa or tonifying spleen 1.
O, John, ilabas mo yung maleta mo.
Yeah,
And then, Doc.
kala ko sasagot.
Then,
Wait lang.
REN4.
Wait lang po. Hindi pinatay. Okay. Okay, morbid leukorrhea.
Morbid.
Anong pattern po ito?
Pattern for morbid leukorrhea is spleen deficiency.
So what are the key symptoms that will clinch the diagnosis?
There is a profuse, thick white or yellow discharge without smell.
Actually, ganito ma'am ha, we already know that it's morbid leukorrhea, kaya may discharge, no? The question is, what, aside from, kasi given na yan no? Morbid leukorrhea may yellow discharge, thick white. The question is, how will you know na the pattern involved in the morbid leukorrhea is spleen deficiency? So titingnan mo ngayon yung loose stools, remember?
Yes po, loose stool and no appetite.
Ganun ang pag-ano, no? And then the tongue is pale, white, sticky coat. But I think it's the loose stools na para no appetite.
Apo, no, spleen
So what is your...
Without smell, Doc. Yung
Yes,
ano,
Yeah, without smell. Yeah.
Korea.
without
Kasi,
smell.
okay. By the way, Ma'am Ami, pag may smell ang discharge,
Smell.
ano yung differential mo?
Smell.
Ito kasi without smell, and you said it's spleen deficiency. Eh ngayon, di ba may leukorrhea din na may smell? So pag may smell, what pattern comes to mind right away?
Yun na po siguro, Doc, yung mas malala. May amoy na.
Oo nga, the pattern.
After my heat.
I think, Doc, kidney deficiency.
No,
My heat
Ano,
smell, Doc.
very common to. Katulad din ng stools mo, tapos may amoy.
stomach
Damp.
po.
Damp heat.
Damp heat. Okay.
Ganito tayo, no? When you see patients and then they present with symptoms, dapat may differential ka kaagad. Para you
Okay.
know what questions to ask. Okay? And wag masyadong maraming symptoms.
Remove the damp. Okay. Spleen and remove the
So what are
damp.
the points?
So using REN6, UB 30, spleen 9, stomach 36. And GB 26 for empirical point.
Okay. Okay, for itchy vagina, you're going to use liver 5. Reddish leukorrhea, spleen 10. Excessive heat, LI 11. I think that's a given. Next, ano po ang pattern dito, Ma'am Ami?
Ito po yung kidney chi deficiency.
Okay. What will make you say na kidney chi deficiency po ito? Alin sa mga
Meron
symptoms
pong
dyan?
severe soreness in lower back.
Very good. Yun na. Okay. What are the points?
The points are UB 23, REN 4, kidney 12, GB 26, and kidney 7.
Kidney 26? Parang ang layo naman ng GB 26.
Empirical point, di ba?
Mm.
Sabi.
Doc,
Empirical point for leukorrhea, GB 26.
Yes.
GB 26 also.
She mentioned kasi kidney 26.
Ah,
Let's go to the next one. O ito, Ma'am Ami. Ngayon yung kanyang may amoy na yung yellow discharge niya, sticky. Sticky and stinky. What's your pattern here, Ma'am Ami?
46, Doc.
Yes. Ano po sagot niyo rito?
Wala po ata ako yung 46 sa Corvin.
Okay, ito na yung sinasabi nating damp heat.
Damp disease, damp heat. Yes po.
So these are the points. By the way, what is REN3? What is the classification of REN3?
The front blue point of the bladder.
Okay.
bladder.
Liver 3, spleen 6, and bladder
Yes,
32. Now, morning sickness.
Ang morning sickness, Doc,
What is the medical
pattern
for
here
morning
is
sickness?
morning sickness,
Hyperemesis.
skin and stomach deficiency.
No. Medical term. Kasi, di ba, there will come a time we will be aligning ourselves with
Deficiency in the stomach and skin.
Okay, what is morning
Hyperemesis, Doc?
sickness? What is your
Panic.
definition of morning sickness po,
Hyper.
Ma'am Ami? Have you been pregnant before?
Yes po. Nagsusuka po.
So, ano itong morning sickness?
Unang-una, Doc, ayun, nung nagsusuka, Doc.
Okay, what is the medical term for morning sickness? Kung
Vomiting of
we don't
liquid
see
or
morning
undigested.
sickness. We call it
Hyperemesis.
hyperemesis.
Yes, po.
I think I gave you a book, OB-GYN book by Machocha. So, and also, kailangan you have to be very careful with the points. Pregnant, okay?
Apo.
And ito na, tinan mo, morning sickness. Actually, last week, I think it was last Saturday, I had a patient, pangatlo na niyang pregnancy. So, nagulat siya. Sabi ko, mayroong reason bakit ka, kasi sabi niya sanay naman doon siya magsusuka, pero this time the suka was more intense. So, may liver cheese stagnation. I hope I could show you the tongue, no? Liver cheese stagnation impacting invading the stomach, actually. Then I used the 4-point technique. Not the ear, ha? Huwag kayo mag-ear acupuncture for pregnant. She was 8 weeks pregnant. Ano lang, just a word of caution. Kasi masyadong malakas ang ear. Baka mamaya. Okay, anyway. So, Ma'am Ami, what is your answer here? Ano yung pattern nyo rito and why?
Morning sickness po, Doc, is
Yung anong
deficiency of stomach and spleen.
spleen and stomach deficiency.
Yes po.
Okay, what made you say that?
Meron po siyang, yun nga po, Doc, may vomiting
May
at
laman yung
frequent.
vomit niya.
Yes po. Vomit.
Ibig sabihin, mahina, no?
Opo,
Yeah.
mahina po ang stomach.
So what are the points?
Stomach sheet. The points are REN 12, REN 13, REN 13, PC6, stomach 36, and spleen 4.
Okay. PC6 or PC5. Okay.
Opo.
What about this? Ano po itong ano? Ito na yung aking patient. Yeah. Hindi pala. Hindi pa ito. Sorry. Okay, ano po ang pattern dito ng morning sickness niya? Ano po ulit yung medical term ng morning sickness, Ma'am Ami?
Spleen and stomach deficiency daw.
Hindi, yung medical term po ng morning sickness.
Hyperemesis gravidarum.
Di ba?
Hyperemesis.
Okay, ano niyo po yan, Ma'am, ha? Oo, you have been pregnant. How many times have you been pregnant, Ma'am Ami? Ma'am Ami?
Yes, Doc.
Ilang beses kayo nabuntis?
2 po, Doc.
Okay. So ano po ito, ang pattern dito?
Patterns number 48 is liver and G and blood stasis po.
G and blood stasis.
Or liver and stomach.
Blood stasis? Ibig sabihin, hindi lang yellow ang coat.
Yellow coat. Liver and stomach disharmony po.
Okay, what are the points?
The points are at LI4, spleen 6, UB67.
Liver 3? Why did you not mention liver 3? Di ba liver stomach disharmony?
Opo, liver 3
Yung
po.
stomach
Hindi
33.
pwedeng LI4, di ba, Doc?
Liver
LI4.
3 with LI4. No, I'm sorry.
Bawal ang
Pala
LI4
ito.
sa
Bawal ang
buntis.
LI4. My God, thank you
Ay,
for
dahil
reminding.
po.
Kaya walang LI4 dito. And
Opo.
also spleen 6, bawal din ha. And
Ay, okay.
okay, you can use REN 12 only pag hindi pa umabot ng second trimester. So for if beyond the first trimester, do not use any points above the navel.
Above the umbilicus.
Ayaw nga, bakit yun?
Do you understand that, Ma'am?
Yes po. Yes po, Doc.
So ito, we presume that the patient is pang anong trimester po? Kasi pinagamit yung REN 17 saka REN 12.
17.
Presence
Kasi
of
diba,
mind.
Doc, usually morning sickness naman, Doc, usually first trimester siya, di ba? Bihira yung
pero may mga hyperemesis.
May iba na hanggang 7-8 months.
Merong iba
kawawa
nag-extend. Hindi lang. Normally, if your hyperemesis is normal, dapat mawala na siya after the first trimester. Pero may mga babae, second trim na, may ano pa rin. So, ibig sabihin...
Ako, Doc, hanggang 7 months.
Ay, kawawa.
So, dapat di ba tapos na to? Bakit ganito?
Oo, siguro may mga emotional issues ka. Yun.
Yung pala yun.
Yes. Katulad ng patient ko. Kikita pala kami ulit ng Saturday. Okay. She was happy. Pero ayaw niya talaga. Siya mismo ayaw niya patusok ng kanyang. Sabi ko, 8 weeks pa lang naman. Sabi niya, ayaw ko na pa sa tiyan. Sige, fine.
Pero hindi ka takot sa needle, Doc?
Hindi na. She loved it.
Oh,
Actually,
okay.
it was her first time and she did a lot of research on, alam nga niya, hyperemesis gravidarum. Hindi siya gumamit ng morning sickness. Mga pasyente ngayon nagbabasa na, ha?
Estudyante ng
Yeah.
Google talaga pagka nabuntis eh. Lahat nire-research.
Yes. Sabi niya, I actually did the research before I came. Okay, fine. Anyway, mamaya na yan, marites na naman tayo. Pero interesting yung life niya. Okay, so tapos na po ito. Let's go to 40. Oh, prolonged labor.
Paroxysmal.
Ma'am Ami, are you still there?
Yes po, Doc.
Mm-mm.
The pattern here is chi and blood deficiency
Chi or blood.
for prolonged labor.
Because of the SOB, shortness of breath.
Shortness of breath.
Okay, what are the points?
The points are
Can you
stomach
use
36.
spleen 6 now?
Yes po, Doc. Spleen 6. And then,
Magagamit na ba ang spleen 6?
67 para
Bakit
may
pwede nang
induce.
gamitin ang spleen 6?
Dahil mga anak
na yun.
Nanganganak na.
Yes
Ito,
po.
pang-induce na po
Oo,
yan.
galing.
Mga anak na talaga siya.
Yes.
And
Interesting.
then using UB67.
Ano yung mga taga Baguio, dumami na dumami, no? Oh, tapos meron pa about breach. Oh. Okay, next. Number 50, prolonged labor. Oh, ito, tinan mo. Ano na, oh? Dark yung tongue.
Oh, dark and bluish complexion. Dark
Scanty
tongue.
coverage.
Yes po.
So ano po yung pattern natin?
Blood stasis.
Pattern natin, Ma'am Ami.
Ang pattern po, Doc, for 50 is chi and blood stasis po.
Okay. What are the points?
The points are LI4, UB67 also, and spin 6.
Okay, pero kung pinaplano na talaga mag-CS ng doktor, huwag ka na makialam.
Yes po.
Okay, insufficient, mas mahal kasi yung CS. Okay, insufficient lactation, the general points.
General point is SI1, REN 17, and stomach 18.
Oh, perfect. Okay, so let's promote breastfeeding, no? Oh.
Insufficient.
Pero kung iniisip mo cow yung anak mo, di bigyan mo ng cow's milk. 52. Lalaki siya parang baka. Okay, anyway. So, insufficient lactation. Anong pattern po ito, ma'am?
Chi and blood deficiency, Doc.
Why?
Stress and agitation.
No appetite, loose stools, pale little coat. So what's the points? What are the points?
Spin 6, UB20, and stomach 36.
Okay, very good. Next. What is the pattern here? Insufficient lactation. O hindi na binigay yung tongue.
Liver chi stagnation.
Very good. So points.
Points are liver 3, PC6, and liver 14.
Okay. Lactrifuge para maglabas yung ano.
Yung gatas.
Yes.
Okay. Answer po, Doc, is GB37 and GB41.
Wow. Next. Prolapse of the uterus. Anong pattern yan?
Prolapse of uterus. Chi deficiency.
Okay.
Chi deficiency.
Because of the SOB.
Yes po.
Sinking sensation. Okay. Actually, ano to spleen chi sinking, pero subcategory yan ng chi deficiency.
Sinking chi.
So what are the points?
REN 6, REN 12, DO 20, stomach 29, and stomach 30.
6.
Tonifying the chi and blood.
Okay, very good. Next, prolapse of the uterus, secondary to what pattern?
Kidney deficiency, Doc. May prolapse of uterus. So,
Bakit? Dahil sa sore low back and legs, no?
yeah, sore and low back.
Vaginal dryness. Tinnitus. So what are the points?
RAN 4, kidney 6, liver 8, and SIGO or extra point.
57 points chosen for sprain or contusion.
57. Number 57.
Alam niyo ang difference ng sprain, no? Strain.
Prepare to injury of soft
Okay.
tissue.
Remember, this one is very sudden. So in pain siya. Hindi mo na kailangan hanapin yung... Okay. What's the point po?
Ashy point, Doc.
Okay, very good, Ashi. Next sprain points.
Sprain is the supplementary point, Doc, is UB10 and Sanjiao 3.
Sanjiao 3?
SI3. Sorry. SI3.
Next, shoulder
For
sprain.
Ang shoulder po is for GB21 and at LI15.
Very good. And finally, elbow sprain.
LI11, Doc, and LI4.
Very good. Thank you very much, Ma'am Ami.
Thank you, Doc. Thank you po.
Congrats. Next, we call on Ma'am Angel. Ma'am
Good
Angel.
evening, Doc.
Speaking.
Good evening, classmates po.
Wrist sprain.
Sa wrist sprain po, Doc, ang points po is dapat Sanjiao 4 and Sanjiao 5 po.
Galing. Okay. Hip sprain.
Hip sprain po, Doc, is gallbladder 30 po and gallbladder 34 po, Doc.
Okay. Great. Favorite GB30. Bakit si GB34? Ano ba si GB34? Bakit
Si GB34, Doc, has a point po of the gallbladder meridian. Also, nagmo-moves po siya ng liver chi.
Okay. Knee sprain.
Knee sprain po, Doc, stomach 45 po and stomach 44 po, Doc.
Stomach 35, no?
Opo.
Yung nasa ano, yung parang, okay. Next, ankle sprain.
Ankle sprain po, stomach 41, GB40, and urinary bladder 60 po, Doc.
Very good. Wow. Okay, what does treating sprain involve?
Pagka nag-treating sprain involved po, Doc, kailangan needling can be applied to the healthy side at the area corresponding to the affected area po, Doc. So when manipulating the needle, ask the patient to move the sprain joint. Elevation or subsidence of the pain may be expected po.
Okay, bakit yung healthy side ang nininidle natin?
Opo, para po mag-circulate po, Doc.
Okay. Wow. Channels chosen. What is torticollis?
Torticollis, Doc, is neck ano po to, Doc, neck, twisted neck po.
Can you demonstrate torticollis?
Yung ano po kasi, Doc, yung torticollis po, Doc, as upon checking ko po, Doc, yung iba dito parang genetics po, you know.
So, what are the channels that we use?
So, ang channel po na we use po sa torticollis is Governor Bessel po and Taiyang meridians.
Okay. And the Taiyang, we have the foot and the hand Taiyang, right?
Apo.
Okay. Prescription.
Prescription po ng torticollis and pagka when reducing method po, Doc, we need to moxibustion po. Ang i-apply natin sa DO14, urinary bladder 10, and SI3.
Okay. Or we can use the extra point Luochen.
Apo.
Whether in GB39 and okay.
Apo, sa GB39 po for empirical for neck pain po.
Yes. What are the two types of tinnitus?
Two types po of tinnitus, doc, is excess and deficiency po, doc.
Okay. Ano ang nakaka-cause ng excess?
Sa excess, doc, nagkakos po kasi dyan yung liver and gallbladder, nag-rise po yung fire level, fire rising po yan, doc. Or phlegm fire stagnation po.
So ito yung high pitch.
Apo.
Malakas. Ano naman yung
Apo.
isa?
Sa deficiency naman, doc, ito
Low
yung
pitch.
yes po, si kidney essence deficiency naman and blood Qi deficiency po, doc.
Okay. So pag nagalit, natakot, that's usually excess. Shaoyang. Okay. Principal channels for tinnitus.
So, yun nga po, doc. Si principal channel niya po is si liver, gallbladder, and kidney po, doc.
Okay. General prescription for tinnitus.
General prescription po, doc, is Sanjiao 3, Sanjiao 17, and gallbladder 2, also gallbladder 43 po.
Very good.
To regulate po the Qi circulation po.
Okay. Tinnitus with liver gallbladder fire.
Ito po, doc, liver 2 po, doc, and GB41 po, doc.
Wow. Tinnitus with invasion of wind.
Sa invasion of wind po, doc, Sanjiao 5 po and LI4 po, doc.
Okay. Parang meron yatang... Okay. So Sanjiao 5 and...
LI4 po, doc.
Okay. Tinnitus with kidney deficiency.
Sa kidney deficiency, doc, bladder 23 po. Governor Bessel 4 and kidney 3 po, doc.
Yeah.
Sorry for the dog, doc.
It's okay. Ano breed ng dog mo?
Ano lang po, doc, poodle and aspin po, doc.
Ay, wow. Okay. Causes of eye swelling and pain.
Apo. Mostly due to exogenous pathogenic wind heat causing obstruction of Qi po, doc.
So, liver. Baka may tao sa labas?
Meron po eh. Nandun na po yung kapatid ko, doc. Binuksan na po yung gate.
Okay. Baka gusto sumali. Okay. So, exogenous wind heat. And when you have, this will cause liver
flare fire po, doc.
Basic prescription for eye swelling and pain.
GB20 po, doc, and LI4 po, doc. Bladder and doc yung bladder 1 and liver 2 po, doc.
Okay, marunong ka na gumamit ng bladder 1?
Hindi pa, doc.
Okay, pakisan mo si Ma'am Joy.
Wow!
Magagalit yan.
You have to use the guide tube dito. Next, eye swelling and pain with wind heat.
Sanjiao 5 po, doc.
Very good. Eye swelling and pain with liver fire.
Liver 3 po, doc.
Or liver 2. Thick nasal discharge is caused by?
Caused by the pathogenic factor of the lung po, doc, or exogenous wind cold.
Okay.
Na nagtatransform into heat po, doc.
So this is wind invasion, external wind invasion, no? Sticky nasal discharge. Channels used to treat thick sticky nasal discharge.
Lung po, doc, and large intestine po.
Okay, galing. Han Tai-yin and Han Yang-ming. From now on, yung mga channel, ganito na yung pagtawag natin, ha?
Okay po, Han. Okay.
So yan ang lamp way. Dayabang. Number 80. Basic prescription for thick, sticky nasal discharge.
Pwede po, Doc, yung lang 7 po, LI4 also, and LI20.
Actually, magkasama,
Pwede,
magkasama talaga si Lang 7 and LI4. No?
opo.
Kasi low, tsaka source point.
LI20 and ito.
Pwede rin Yintang, Doc.
Okay. Oh, ay, maraming salamat, Ma'am Angel. Pwede mo
Thank
na
you po, Doc.
ano yung,
Thank you po.
higit yung
Opo,
atin.
sorry sa dog po ulit, Doc.
Okay, no problem po.
Thank you po.
Okay, so we'll now go to the next one. Ma'am Joy, para we could wrap this up.
Good evening po, Doc, and everyone. Pasensya na po sa boses ko.
It's okay. Oo.
Parang
Infantile.
pakonti-konting nawawala, nauubos ulit siya, Doc.
Okay. Wag tayo, syempre pag nagko-convulsion na yung ano mo, yung infant, no, you need to do something na rin, right? Especially on the way to the hospital, no? So,
Yes,
what are
Doc.
the acute types and symptoms?
Doc, ang haba nitong ano, pero sige. Acute types, Doc, and the symptoms for invasion of seasonal pathogenic factor, Doc, yung isa.
Okay.
Ano yun ko ba, Doc, na i-list ko muna lahat
Okay. List mo muna. So, what are the
nung types?
how many types are there?
3.
There's 3, Doc.
Okay, let's start with the first one.
Tapos, so the first one is the invasion of seasonal pathogenic factor, which is wind and
this
heat.
is, wind invasion, pathogenic wind invasion, no? So,
Yes,
how
Doc.
would you know that it is a wind invasion?
Sa pulse, Doc, will be rapid and
What
wiry.
are the manifestations? So, yung usual natin, di ba? Then there will be
Fever.
ubo, thirst, irritability. Remember, the
Headache.
convulsion na to, hindi ito, hindi na to yung ano pa lang, naging pathogenic na yung wind. Pumasok
Yes,
na.
Doc.
Too late na. Nasa ano na tayo?
So may nagka-contract na yung limbs, Doc.
Yes. Okay, what about the second one?
The second one is phlegm fire accumulation, Doc.
Okay, so what are you going to look for dito?
Besides the pulse, Doc.
So maraming phlegm, maraming sputum.
Phlegm.
Yes,
There will
Doc.
be
May pain sa throat.
mabaho yung dumi niya.
Yung pag
poop or there is constipation, no? So remember,
Yes, Doc.
you may have already noticed this kasi most likely almost a week na to. Yan yung problem pag pinabayaan mo lang, no? Or hindi mo talaga na ano. Anyway, what was the third one?
Third one, Doc, is sudden fright.
Okay. So, you should know the difference na. So, syempre, nanlalamig pag natakot, no?
Yes,
Walang fever. There's no fever.
Fire. So, I hope
maraming iyak.
Yes.
Crying.
Bakit kaya natakot? Sa mukha? Or may mga nakikita? Okay. Number 82, chronic infantile. Kanina, acute yun. Ngayon punta naman tayo. Like, how do you categorize acute? Like, what is the time frame?
Actually, Doc, that is a question I wanted to ask. Kanina,
okay.
di ba nung nag-ano tayo na, sabi niyo pag wala na po, pag chronic na siya, ibig sabihin maano na yung fever. Pero ano po yung time frame nun? Like, within the day or weeks?
No. I would say 3 months.
3 months. So talagang, Doc, normal talaga na maging ang tawag dito, hindi lang once or twice mangyari na magkaroon ng convulsions.
Kasi minsan, okay, let's continue. Chronic infantile. Okay, this time, alam niyo na ng difference, no? So, what are the 2 types?
The 2 types, Doc, kasi po sa sobrang haba ng sagot natin dito na
I simplify mo lang.
ang dami ko pong naka-open. So 80
Yeah, may deficiency na siya.
Deficiency, Doc. Deficiency condition.
Wrong treatments ito usually. And binigyan ng maraming cold or purgatives.
Cold purgative meds.
Oo.
Yes.
Okay, so this second is emaciation, no? So ibig sabihin,
Yes, Doc.
dumi na lang ng dumi, lumiit na. Okay, so here, show
Wawa naman.
no? Letter G with eyes open. Can you imagine? Intermittent convulsion, cold limbs, loose stools with undigested food. So, because...
Nakakaawa naman.
Oo naman.
Kasi ba, Doc, hanggang 7 years old daw nangyayari, parang common sa kids up to 7 years old.
Oo,
My
kasi
God.
pinagpapakain, pati ano. Okay, what about the pulses in acute infantile convulsion?
Lahat sila, Doc, it's rapid and wiry.
Galing. Okay, what about chronic infantile convulsion?
So, pag chronic naman, Doc, it's deep and weak.
Now you know the difference.
Yes, Doc.
Okay.
So yun pala, Doc, nga ang the best way to know if you don't know the time frame, it's really the pulse, no?
Yes, yes. Kasi magtataka ka, nagko-convulsion, bakit ang lalim, tapos malumana yung pulse, di ba?
Opo. So kung hindi alam nung pinagtatanungan mo yung details of it, doon mo na lang ma-determine.
Ikaw na, oo. Kaya marami kayong matutulungan sa Baguio if you do this right, no?
Yes, Doc.
And you can have many friends who are pedia, no? Or kahit sa hospital mismo, dyan sa Baguio dyan. Sana no, magkaroon ng time na we'll have some tie-up. No? Stay in Baguio
Yes,
for
Doc.
your internship, o diba? O, pero
Ay, ang saya, Doc. Kailangan nandun din kayo, Doc.
Ma'am Joy, i-arrange mo na, doon tayo mag-practice.
Doon tayo, para medyo malamig-lamig.
Kailangan malaman muna nila na magaling ka. Diba? So you have to, you have to create.
So, ibig sabihin ngayon na yan, June, July, August, Doc.
Huwag naman ganun kabilis. Ang yun ngayon is yung ngayong 16 ba? 16? Is it 16?
Apo, 16, 17, Doc. Pero sa ano lang yun, Doc, sa mga, PNP.
Huwag mong ano yan, but you have to make an impact, no? So,
well, of course, Doc. I mean, pero hindi pa siya pang, di kasama ng other Western medicine.
Eventually, they will get to know you. They will recognize your efforts.
Hopefully, Doc. Kaya buti na lang sasama si Miss Angel at si Ma'am Angelie.
Okay.
Si Ma'am Linda, dapat isama din natin.
Ibale, sa una ganun lang yan. Pero in the future, marami na yung gustong sumabay. Anyway, what is your treatment plan for acute infantile convulsion?
Doc, to eliminate the heat and suppress the wind. So, reducing method ang gagamitin.
So, yeah, you have to use the 2 meridian and the liver. So, tinan mo, liver na.
Yes, liver and
prescription.
Point prescription or depende, Doc, 'di ba, sa ano. So kung yung sa pathogenic factor, Doc, it's the yin tang and do 26 and liver 3 for all.
Very good. Yeah. And then,
but you can add other points.
Yes. Okay.
Yung sa Doc, yung sa Jingwell points, bleeding din po ba ang gagawin?
Oo. Hindi naman nila mapapansin niya.
Oo nga, Doc. Tsaka kung kinakailangan na, di ba?
Usually, delirious na yan sila. They won't, hayaan mo na yung ano.
Tsaka usually po yung parents naman ang magpapanik when you start bleeding yung ano. Pero at least they'll thank you later pag okay na yung anak nila.
Okay. So these are the points. So kung may pathogenic heat invasion, you would add do 14, LI11, and the Jingwells. So ibig sabihin marami, no? Now, aside from yin tang do, so pinaka-basic would be yin tang do 26 and liver 3. So obviously you'll have Ren 12, SI18, LI4, stomach 40. You're very familiar. And then the Sadat Pride, Si Shen Kong, I don't know if I pronounce it right. How do you pronounce this,
Sensong.
Ma'am Lynn?
Si Sensong, ang dinig ko kay
Sensong.
Dr. Webb. Si Sensong.
Season song.
Okay. Pericardium 8, kidney 1. Okay. Now, what is the treatment plan for chronic infantile convulsion?
To invigorate the yang and nourish blood, Doc.
Okay. Use the Do and Ren points, reinforce, or moxa. Chronic infantile convulsion.
Do 20, do 24 for pang tranquilize, Doc. Ren 4, spleen 6, stomach 36 for body resistance. UB20, UB23, Ren 12, and yung liver 3, Doc, then and kidney 2
For blood deficiency.
for blood deficiency. Yes. Supplementation.
Infantile diarrhea naman tayo. What are the causes, the etiologies? The top 3.
Diarrhea. 3, Doc.
Dalawa lang.
Kala ko 2 lang. Overfeeding and damp heat lang, Doc, yung sagot ko.
Meron pa. Hindi lang naman yan yung cause, no? Yung mga pinagkakain ng mga ano.
Pag may parasite, Doc. Yung parasite.
Food poisoning. Diba?
Poison.
Attack of pathogen.
Oh.
So yan. Andito na. Weak spleen, stomach, injured by irregular diet, contaminated food, attack of pathogen. Then damp heat invasion and overfeeding contaminated food.
Yes, Doc.
What are the signs and symptoms of infantile diarrhea?
Magkakaroon, Doc, ng syempre, dahil indigestion. So, ano ba po bang ng pag may diarrhea, may borborygmi, I would assume.
Orchestra. May mga tunog.
Kasi pareho lang, Doc, no, yung sa pagka
borborygmi.
sa lahat ng ng diarrhea, may borborygmi. Tapos may pain. And of course, a lot of bowel movements.
Oo. Abdominal distension, kaya dapat
mabaho.
Tapos may stench o offensive smell yung.
Tapos several times a day, tumugi, maasim, and putrid. Okay.
Yes, Doc.
Damp heat, infantile diarrhea, signs and symptoms. Siguro hati kayo ni
Ni Ma'am Lynn.
Si Sir Michael. Sir Michael, are you okay?
Nasa birthday party po si Sir Michael. 80th birthday po ng mami niya eh.
Ay, wow. Okay, pero at least present siya but not mentally. Okay.
Present naman po ako, Doc.
Ay, happy birthday to your mom. Sige na. Wag na, pinakonsensya pa namin. Sige, enjoy na lang your birthday muna.
Hindi po, okay lang.
Sige po.
Okay lang po.
Padala ka ng ng screenshot.
Gusto niya pong malaman na tama pa rin yung sagot niya sa sa assessment, Doc.
Okay, sige.
Kaya makikinig daw siya.
Opo.
Okay, good.
Makikinig naman po ako, Doc.
Makikinig na lang. O, sige, go. Sige, Ma'am Joy, continue tayo. Damp heat, infantile diarrhea.
Anak ko naman, tutulungan ako ni Ma'am Lynn. Sige po. Diarrhea. Nasa na po tayo? Number 91.
91.
So, yung as mentioned earlier, Doc, there will be borborygmi. There's pain, bowel movements, and the pain usually nare-relieve ko nung bowel movement. Putrid feces, loose stools with abdominal pain.
Basta foul.
And may magiging burning sensation na, Doc.
Basta
may
mabaho
fever.
yung dumi niya.
Doc, pag damp heat, may fever na siya.
Burning anus.
May fever na, Doc. Kaya kasi may heat na.
Oh, yeah.
So magano na, the darken your urine.
Mukhang gagaling yun na talaga. Okay. What about pulse and tongue for damp heat infantile diarrhea?
The pulse, Doc, will be rolling and rapid, and the tongue will be yellow and sticky.
Sticky.
Rolling kasi this is actually slippery din. Rolling is slippery.
slippery.
Sticky yellow coat. Okay. You see
O,
how
kasi may damage.
important tongue diagnosis is? Can you imagine kung marami kang matulungan, no? Infantile diarrhea, treatment plan.
The treatment plan, Doc, is to promote the digestion to remove stagnation, strengthen transportation to stop diarrhea. So, tas i-eliminate yung dampness and clear the heat.
Okay. Points of what channel? The foot yang. Okay, let's go to
Foot yang
infantile
means
diarrhea from overfeeding or due to contaminated food. Ano yung signs and symptoms?
so almost the same then, Doc, as the damp heat. Except walang fever, Doc.
Actually, magfo-focus ka sa nakikita mo sa feces.
Na may undigested food, Doc.
Yes.
Undigested milk.
Undigested food or milk. Frequent hiccups.
O kasi dire-diretso na lang siya sa hindi na siya digest kasi.
What do you think is the cause of the hiccups here?
Ano po yun, Doc?
Ano ang cause ng hiccups dito? Bakit may hiccups?
Kasi na ng acid, Doc.
Like what particular, what happened to the stomach now? Nagre-rebel na. Mahina na masyado, di ba?
Yes, Doc.
Next, infant diarrhea from overfeeding, tongue and pulse.
The tongue, Doc, will have a sticky coating, and then yung pulse will be slippery and full.
Yes, very good. Number 96, what will be your prescription for infantile diarrhea?
Doc, it will be stomach 25 and stomach 37, and I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right. Sifang. Dinay kong pakinggan kanina doon sa pero parang hindi ko pa rin Sifang.
Okay. So if the infantile diarrhea is due to damp heat, what will be your points?
For damp heat, Doc, Li11, Li4, and spleen 9 to eliminate dampness.
Okay, what about overfeeding?
For overfeeding, Doc, Ren 11 and Ren 6.
Yeah, and
yung Sifang.
Okay, let's now go to infantile malnutrition. This is also important. Ano ang causes?
Doc, 4 causes: irregular food intake, improper nursing, parasitosis, and general debility due to chronic illness. Yun po yung sagot ko.
Okay, or walang kain, not enough food. Kaya,
yeah, and that also, Doc. So,
ang dami kayang ganyan dito, no? Kawawa naman. Okay, signs and symptoms ng infantile malnutrition.
Magkakaroon po ng slight fever, dry mouth.
Slight
or tidal fever, Doc. So parang tidal fever, so tumataas.
Parang tidal spikes.
May spikes.
Tidal fever in the afternoon.
And
so
then,
parang
bibigyan lang ng di ba? Pambababa ng fever.
Ng fever, yeah, Doc. Pero hindi binigyan ng anything else.
Yeah. What else? Paano mo what else will you look for? Like, what are you going to observe?
Yung sa abdominal, Doc.
Yes. Ano makikita mo sa tiyan nila?
Magkakaroon ng distension.
Yes. Ang galing.
And most likely, syempre may pain na yan.
Okay. Tapos what
so
about
there will be
skin?
crying.
Tapos,
ano po yun, Doc?
yung itsura. Yung skin lang.
Yeah, magiging dry yung skin.
Yeah, would you be willing to help out sa mga...
Yeah.
Yes, Doc. Kailangan yun nga yung mga tulungan natin.
Yun nga eh.
Believe that children are our future.
Okay, what about the tongue and pulse for infant malnutrition?
The tongue, Doc, will be sticky or dirty, or there will be a complete loss of the coating.
Wow, ang galing.
And then the pulse will be very weak.
You see? Kasi wala nang nutrition, di ba? Wala nang coat. Okay.
Yes, Doc.
What about infant malnutrition from parasites, the signs and symptoms? Now, this is also important kasi yung pinaka-key symptom dito,
Yung craving for unnatural articles of food, Doc.
yeah. What do you call that?
Kaya yung iba yung pati lupa kinakain nila.
Yung hindi dapat kainin, kakainin.
Kasi parang just to have something in their system.
May alaga. Okay. What will be your... Okay, of course, aside from the meds, no? Ito kasi kailangan na talaga natin ng mga anti-inflammatory, mga ano dyan. Anyway, you need to also do acupuncture. So what would be your plan?
Actually, Doc, for this infant malnutrition, wala po akong sagot. Kasi ang nahanap ko lang na is yung how to needle it. Pero...
Okay. Of course, you need to focus.
Eliminate the grit.
Okay. Foot Yang-Ming, the stomach. Foot Tai.
Ayun lang yung sagot ko, Doc. Yung superficial pricking, not retained. Pero, yeah, so spleen and stomach.
Madali lang gawin to. Superficial pricking lang, no? Oo.
And i-replenish yung chi, Doc. Siyempre, di ba?
Yeah. Okay. So what would be your points?
Yun, so pag-replenish ng chi would be stomach 36. And then, to harmonize the stomach, Ren 10. And then, of course, the back shoe points, bladder 21 and 20 for the stomach and spleen. And the, nakalimutan ko na naman, Sifang. Sifang? Ma'am Lynn, ikaw nakakaalam na eh.
And what about
and then the spleen 3, though.
What about the extra point for parasites?
The Bai Chong Wo, though.
Ang galing naman, grabe.
Bai Chong Wo.
Okay.
Hanggang hinanap ko pa yung Bai Chong Wo.
Thank God natapos din tayo. And,
thank you, Doc.
Alam ko,
and marami ako, parang ito yata, Doc, ang assessment. Marami naman ako natutunan sa iba, pero dito mas marami akong natutunan.
Ay talaga? Okay, so maraming salamat naman.
And, kasi applicable. I think it's applicable kasi may mga, it's for women and children.
And these are the possible cases that you might encounter in your practice, no?
Practical.
Yes, Doc.
At saka sana marami tayong matulungan. And we expect a lot. Update us about Baguio, sa 16, 17. And
yes, Doc.
Wishing you all the luck. And I'm
Thank you, Doc.
Very proud of you. I'm sure if Dr. Palanco were alive, she would have hugged each one of you.
She will update her children.
Oh, yeah. Sige. And I hope... yeah.
Sumama yung niya, Doc, yung grandson sa isang mission natin.
Ay, talaga?
Talaga?
Yeah, siya yung nag-take ng ng blood pressure.
Oh.
Okay. Good.
Nasa medical field din po ba siya, Ma'am Lynn?
Sana we can come up with something big.
Mag-aaral yata.
Okay, let's help together. Let's work together, in 1977, si Dr. Palanco was able to have an international convention all by herself.
Wow.
And it was never repeated by anyone. So when she was still alive, I think like 10 years ago, we had the chance to talk. And she was saying, alam mo, Bong, sabi niya, she calls me Bong. My dream is really to have a repeat of what she has done. No? Sabi ko, ano yata. So I hope 50 years, that would be 2027. Yeah. So sana makayanan natin, wherein we can invite foreign delegates, So in the meantime, we need to make an impression. We need to show everyone that we know what we're doing. And eventually we can get the recognition that we worked very hard for. And
Yeah.
I know you have been working very hard, although there have been comments na masyado daw tayong advanced. But I know that this is the basic, di ba? How can you give a good diagnosis if you don't even do pattern weaving, right? So nakikita mo naman, like,
Yeah.
imagine using points that are not customized, mainly because this was not taken up during the basics. So I'm very honored and very thankful that you decided to follow our way. And we hope that we can make the dream of Dr. Palanca come true, no? So let's work hard together and let's show the world that let's create a brand. Okay? Alam niyo na yon. Maraming salamat
Yeah.
po. Any comment from the others? Ma'am Ami, did you enjoy tonight's lecture?
Yes po, Doc. Marami pong natutunan. Thank
Okay.
you po, Doc.
Ganito ha, every time you study, okay, you should always try to look at the bigger picture, no? Do not just focus on the symptom. You need to actually see a bigger, parang yung panorama, okay? In fact, kind of the questions that you will ask will already give us an idea. Mayroon ka ng working diagnosis in your head, no? Kasi pag hindi ka nag-diagnose, then you cannot be a very good practitioner. And it's not just worth it. It'll give you a objective feeling. Hindi ito pagalingan ng mga techniques or whatever. What is important is, can you imagine going to a doctor and then hindi ka man lang hindi alam yung diagnosis mo? So kaya hindi tayo masyadong pinansin ng medical people because nobody really well, went the extra mile to really work hard. So itong idea ng webinar was the idea of the late Dr. Palanca. Thanks to the pandemic, medyo nag-open yung mga mata natin. Kasi ano pag-uusapan natin paulit-ulit? Ayaw ko pa naman ulit-ulit. So anyway, so maraming salamat po and I think our technique worked. And I don't believe in long lectures because hindi naman nakikinig yung mga tao. So I think the best way is what we're doing right now, the assessment. That's why nakakataba ng puso that we have new names, new faces, and there have been a lot of inquiries about us. So I just want everyone to stay humble because it's better to pretend that you don't know anything rather than pretending that you know pero wala naman talaga, no? So diyan mo makikita yung quality ng training. So of course we cannot expect to be the best therapists or whatever, but so what is important is we can make a lot of difference in other people's lives. Okay? Look at this in a very positive, like you have to love what you're doing. You should not do this because of the money, no? Kasi pag inisip mo puro pera, puro payabangan, puro politics, you will not get anywhere. No, the people,
Yes.
that's why we have the foundation. Okay? And the problem is we decided to put up the training center because we couldn't find a school that actually met the standards of the late Dr. Palanca. So yun. So sana mag-effort tayong lahat and stay humble and work harder. Yun lang. Maraming salamat po. Hindi po ako
Thank you, Doctor.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Doctor.
And happy birthday
Thank you
to your
talaga.
mom, Sir Michael. I thank you, Dr. Gavino. Ano siya pala si Dr. Gavino? Okay. For
Hi,
attending.
Doc Gavino. Diyan pala ka kayo.
At mabait kayo. Maraming salamat po. Sige na po.
Kayo na
Maraming
yung birthday
salamat.
party.
We'll see you again. Did you receive your week 7 already?
Not yet, Doc. Baka po mamaya.
Okay. Sige po, papadala ko
Hindi pa
kayo.
po. Not yet po, Doc.
Meron akong pinost kanina sa sa chat group. Ang bagal
Opo.
dala ni ano. Anyway, so yun, maraming salamat po and good night everyone. Thank you po.
Good night po. Good night, everyone. Good night,
See you
Doc.
next Tuesday.
See
Bye-bye.
you tomorrow.
For
Bye.
week 7. See you tomorrow.